Okay, so, um, we're here in, Dauntless, about to murder some animals for natural resources, because of course. Hunting grounds, why not? Recommends that I have a 3 level sword, but fuck your recommendations. I do what I want. Okay. Uh, yeah. Alright, hopefully this works because I have kind of a ghetto setup. So the the audio, I don't know why I was trying to say that with an R. The audio is being recorded on my phone, while the gameplay is being recorded on my Xbox. And then I'm gonna have to edit the two together so that way they sound half decent, which is gonna be kinda hard because, you know. I hear someone yelling outside, so. Okay. I I don't um whatever. Damn. I love seeing the inside of whatever the fuck this is. But um what? Um uh okay. I have no idea what that is. Oh fuck. No. Oh, sure, let's unlock that. Okay. 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 Anyways, time to murder this stupid fucking lizard. Come here, you dumbass reptile. Oh, it's a level 3. Oh, fucking come here, you little shit. Wow. Oh, I didn't get hurt. Cool. Damn, I am fucking this shit up already. Nice move, asshole. Uh-oh, fuck. Ow. Yeah, good luck hitting me with no fucking spike. Ow, I dodged it, you dumb bitch. Uh-oh. Holy fuck, I'm actually doing okay right now. Uh-oh, never mind, scratch that. Why, uh-oh. Take a quick slurp. Uh-oh, beat. Yeah, that's what you fucking thought. Y, X, what? Stupid dumb lizard. Yeah. Time to go Super Saiyan. Oh, fucking perish in hell. Oh, this bastard's stealing my kill. You fuck, go away. Aw, thanks. I did all the heavy lifting so that way you could write off my success. You ass licker. Okay. Oh, that sucks. Did all that fucking work just so some fucking McAsshole could steal my fucking fame and glory. That's nice. Whee! I'm so glad there's no fall damage. What the fuck is that? Should I kill that thing? Ow! You bastard! Fuck! Again? I'm going to fucking destroy your entire existence. I missed all 3 of those. Why do I suck so much at everything? Stop freezing, you dumb bastard. Yeah, parry that, filthy casual. Okay, we're just not gonna talk about that. What should I be doing? I guess I'm just gonna run around collecting a strange assortment of items so that way I can, you know, make things. But apparently, I love to just chop down the trees. That's fun. It makes me feel powerful. Well, those guys seem to have that one covered, so I'm gonna just hang out and do whatever, I guess. Damn. God, where are the fucking monsters? Like, god damn it. I can't find any stupid fucking monsters. Ah, here we go. Oh shit, I can fly. Hell yeah. Look at me now, bitches. Oh, stupid ass beaver. Prepare yourself to perish. Nice move, jackass. I'm gonna chop off your fucking tail. Fucking easy. Do. These things live to just get fucking destroyed. Like they are just living punching bags. Like this isn't even a fight. As I'm about to get my shit rocked. Ow, fuck, that hurts. Just die, you stupid fucking rodent. I think this is like a combination in between a chicken and like a beaver. Uh-oh, fuck, beep. Yeah. Fuck you gonna do about it? Nothing. Stupid fucking... Oh, fuck. Uh-oh. Run! I fucked up. Y, X, Y. Fuck, I missed. Yeah, that's what you thought. Y, X, Y. Y, X. I hit X. Okay. X. Uh-oh. B. Okay. Y, X, Y. Yeah, parry that, filthy casual. B. Okay. Ow, fuck, I'm getting my shit rocked. Yeah, fuck. No, you bastard. Leave it. No, fuck off. This is my motherfucker. This asshole came out of nowhere when I already got this motherfucker halfway down. Y, X, Y. Yeah, fucking die. Stupid, dumbass bird. Chicken beaver. Yeah. Fucking easy. Now I get to have my victory juice. The victory slurp juice. Okay. What does that mean? Oh, I leveled up my sword thing. That's cool. Ah, another dumbass lizard, bitch. Alright, come here, bitch. A level 4 one. Ah, our battle will be legendary. Oh, you cunt. He did a whole ass heart with just one attack. Are you fucking serious? God damn, this dude is just fucking wiping the floor with this fat bastard. Wow, that was fucking... That dude just completely annihilated him. Holy Jesus. What the fuck? Did y'all see that shit? Okay, so that was fucking awesome. That dude just completely annihilated that fucking monster. Like, it wasn't even a fucking fight, bro. God damn. Uh, I guess I'll just wait here for the monster to respawn. Pick up some flowers. Some rocks and shit. Eat some grass. Apparently this game is... I don't know. I feel like playing Borderlands 3, but I feel like that's a really long game. Because I'm playing it on a different account. The account I just play games on. And I've been playing for a fucking while. And I don't know if I'm halfway done or not. Ah, fucking... Yeah, that's what you fucking thought, you dumb bug. Come here, bitch. Fucking perish, you stupid fucking rodent. Your existence is mine to take. Dude, where are all the fucking monsters, man? I don't even see anything. Damn, did that dude, like, literally just make him go extinct? Like, fuck. Oh, cool. And alley-oop. Nice. This is what my content is. Dude, seriously, what the fuck? What? Where is everything? Where are all the monsters? It's like nothing spawning. What the fuck is that? Fucking use the thing, you bastard. No, oh, I wanted to go up. Oh, look, another Xbox player. Neat. Oh, yes, there's a monster. Hell yeah. Oh, there's two monsters. Alright, bitch, come here. Oh, fucking prepare to die, you filthy fucking casual noob. Ow! That hurt. Oh, he's angry now. Uh oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. Ow! Ah! Ah, fuck! Oh, hi there. Stupid fucking beaver. Parry this, you filthy. Oh, fucking prepare to die. Stupid fucking animal. Eat up my fucking natural resources? I think not. Okay, I'm gonna fucking die. Holy shit. Quickly, gain health. And, prepare to obliterate these things. Ow. Come on, break his crystals. Break his crystals. Fuck, he's going into angry mode. Fuck, they're both angry. Well, he's... Ow. Fuck you, dude. Yeah, they're both angry as shit. Why are you mad? Just do. Why are you... Ow, you fuck. You ugly hoglin. You fucking little rat. Fuck. Oh, cool. I just got carried hard. I guess I'll let you kill that guy while I drink up all the health. Cause I'm... Oh, fuck! Oh, shit, you thought, you dumb animal bitch. Holy fuck, I just saw that motherfucker charging me. That was fucking scary, dude. Holy shit. And he's going back into angry mode? What the fuck? Ow. You cunt. Oh shit. Get fucking rocked. Ow. What? Why am I teleporting? Just die already. Why won't you just fucking die? Bitch, that's what you thought. Will you fucking die? Oh, I just fucking wasted it. Oh, well. Alright, come here, you little bastard. Oh, fuck, I'm still not at full health. While he's still waking up, I'm gonna quickly drink me some slurp and get ready to obliterate this thing's fucking family. Alright. Fuck you. And now you're completely useless. Prepare to perish. Y, X, Y. Yeah, that's what you get. Stupid fucking lizard. Now just fucking completely destroy it. Yeah, that's right. Heavy attack, baby. Damn, I contributed nothing compared to the others. God, these guys are such fucking tanks. What's that big ass tower? What the fuck? Was that thing like just standing vertically? That was kind of weird, but okay. What? Why does he? Oh, someone was here fighting him earlier. Alright, bulbous, fat, fucking weird piece of shit. Ow, fucking out of here. Will you just fucking die already? God, I hate these mini ones. God, just perish. God damn it, they're already killing this bastard. I just wanna fucking help. Okay. And what? Ow. Fuck. 1, 2, and yeah, that's right. Eat my shitty balls. That sounded weird. Die, you tyrannical fucking piece of shit. Fuck you. Just die. Why won't you fucking die? Ow. Ow, I'm taking a lot of fucking damage right now. Slurp juice. Help me. Nom nom nom. Oh, fuck! Why can't you just let me have some slurp juice, dog? What the fuck you gonna do about a bitch? And... okay, never mind. I guess they'll just do it all themselves. Okay. That's fine. I didn't want to kill any monsters anyways. I don't care. Sick of this shit. Sick of you assholes. Sick of all this. Can't get 2 hits on a fucking monster without you guys just curve stomping it. Fuck. That's it. I'm leaving. I'm sick of this shit. I don't need you. I don't need none of you. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck it. Oh, that was unexpected. Are you fucking kidding me? You tanky motherfuckers. That wasn't even like 10 seconds. What the fuck? That's it. I'm so sick of this shit. I'm done. I don't need none of you fucking bitches.